Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's turning heads in the automotive diagnostic world, the Autel Maxisys MS919 Advanced Diagnostic Scan Tool. If you're interested in checking the latest price and availability, make sure to click the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Autel Maxisys MS919? This is a top-tier automotive diagnostic scanner that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Designed for automotive professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts, the MS919 offers a comprehensive suite of diagnostic capabilities that can help you troubleshoot a wide range of vehicle issues. One of the standout features of the MS919 is its advanced diagnostic capabilities, which include ECU programming and coding. This means you can not only read and clear trouble codes but also perform necessary programming and configurations for various control units within the vehicle. This feature is invaluable, especially for technicians who work on modern vehicles that require precise coding to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. Additionally, the MS919 offers over 40 reset functions, which include everything from oil reset to ABS bleeding and electronic parking brake resets. This extensive range of resets means you can tackle a multitude of maintenance tasks without needing multiple tools. The scanner also incorporates Topology 2.0, allowing users to visualize the vehicle's network architecture and quickly identify which control modules are present and communicating properly. The MS919 comes with a 5-in-1 VCMI, which combines multiple functions into one tool. This allows for advanced vehicle communication, including oscilloscope, multimeter, waveform generator, and more. This feature not only enhances the versatility of the tool but also saves you space and money on additional equipment. Now, who is the Autel Maxisys MS919 suitable for? This tool is perfect for professional mechanics and automotive technicians who need a reliable and comprehensive diagnostic tool. It's also a great choice for serious DIYers who want to take their vehicle maintenance to the next level. If you have a background in automotive repair or are willing to learn, the MS919 can empower you to perform advanced diagnostics that were once only possible at a dealership or specialized repair shop. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're a professional mechanic working in a busy shop. The MS919 allows you to quickly diagnose a vehicle with check engine lights, access live data, and perform necessary resets all in a matter of minutes. This means you can get your customers back on the road faster, enhancing your reputation for efficiency and expertise. For DIY enthusiasts, you might be tackling an older vehicle that has recently started showing warning lights. With the MS919, you can easily connect the tool, read the trouble codes, and figure out exactly what's going on. Whether it's something as simple as an oil change reset or more complex like programming a new key fob, having the MS919 at your disposal can save you time and money on repair costs. In summary, the Autel Maxisys MS919 is a powerful diagnostic tool that packs a punch with its extensive features, making it a must-have for automotive professionals and dedicated DIYers alike. Its advanced diagnostic capabilities, versatility with the 5-in-1 VCMI, and user-friendly interface make it a solid investment for anyone serious about vehicle repair and maintenance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.